Right then, we've now created our audio and we've got our images. So we're now going to go and put these together into our course to produce a really nice resource that your learners will really like. Now, you've logged into your Moodle, so hopefully you're all happy with that. The first thing you need to do is go and turn editing on, which is up here in the right hand side, and all the icons and the drop down menus appear. Now what we're going to be doing is creating a label. So we click on the drop down arrow and we say we're going to create a label. Now within that label we're going to put a table. So as you can see, you've got the toolbars here with a wide range of different options on it, but we're going to use this one here, insert a new table. So the insert modify table box comes up. We're going to have 2 columns and 2 rows. Column 1 is going to be for the images, column 2 is going to be for the audio, and I'm going to put in 2 rows so that the top row can contain some instructions. So we click on, if you want to, you could set it so that your label's in the centre, the left or the right. I'll leave it to the left for now. So click on insert. Now here we have our table, which isn't very big. Remember, you can toggle into full screen mode, but that really doesn't help much with the table. So sometimes it's best just to stay in the smaller size. So we click into the first cell, and I think I'm probably in the second row. But we'll put it in there for now anyway. So let's begin by typing in our heading for the images. Can you read the word? And then we're going to put here in fact, I think I'm going to change right, I've just used Control and Z there. So let's just put in here and we can select our rows and change the font style. So let's change it to Tahoma, let's change it to 14 points. We'll leave it as black, I think. We'll make it bold. So we can go back in and sort that out later. So now what we've got to do is get into the next row. So we've clicked into the row, and now in here we're going to insert our image. So the first image we're going to put is going to be the word, the written word. So we click on find or upload an image, then the file picker comes up, click on upload a file, and then choose file. Now on your memory stick you should have a folder called images, and you've got 2 rabbit ones. If you click on the bottom one, you can see there's the image of the rabbit, but this one it's got the words written. So we're going to say open that, and we're going to say upload this file. And this can take a little while depending upon the size of the file. Remember to type in the image description, and if we go into appearance, let's change the width to 150 and we'll set it so that it's in the middle of that cell. If we click on advanced, we now want to select an alternative image, so when they roll the mouse over it will see the image of the rabbit. And then down in this one, when it's the mouse out, we need to put in there the information for the first image, the one with the words. So let's click on here for mouse over, click on the choose file button, and this time we want to have this one with the image of the rabbit. So you select it, click on open and upload this file. Now what I have found with this part of the process, it can take a little while, and even though it's showing that it's in the box there, this circle is still going round. So what I'm going to do is pause the video briefly. So after a little while, it seemed to hang, but it's in there now. So I think we have to be patient, and we'll need to find out a little bit more about the issues with this. But it's there now. But we need to put this bit in here for mouse out. Now I've found that the best way is to go back to the General tab, because this is what we want to be there. So I'm clicking in that box, you can see the cursors flashing. I'm pressing Control and A to select all of that, and then Control and C. Then I'm going to click back onto the Advanced tab and click in the mouse out box and press Control and V, and then say Update. So we've now got, and if you see in there you can see it's changing, but just to check we'll click on Save and Return to Course. So now if we move our mouse over, so the idea is that the student will need to read the word, and if they read it they can click over it. Well, once they've read it they can move the mouse over to check if they've got it right. But now what we need to do here is put in the audio, and this also needs to be edited in some way to make it look a little nicer, but we'll do that in another video. So we want to go in now and edit this table, so we click down here on the update icon, which on this version is the pen in hand, but you've probably got a cog. So here's our image, but now what we want to do in here is insert our audio. So click into the box, and this time we're going to click onto this icon called Moodle Media. I'm going to click on there, and we've now got the Final Upload a Sound Video or applet box. So we're going to click on there. We're going to say we're going to choose a file, and this time we want to go to our memory stick, but we need to be in audio. And you may remember that we recorded the word rabbit. So we click on there and say open and upload this file. Again, it's taken a little while. Rabbit, but it's put it in there and it's letting you hear what it sounds like. So we click on insert. Now this doesn't look as though it's very user friendly at the moment, so if we click on here and say save and return to course, we've now got a little audio player here. So the idea is, can you read the word rabbit? Oh yes, it's a rabbit, but click here to listen to it just to confirm. Rabbit. And you've got the word rabbit. So we'll leave it at that now, but what we'll do in another video is look at how we can make this look a little bit nicer, because it's not laid out very well at the moment. But you'll find that on your memory stick you've got all the files that you need to have a go at doing this.